Hey guys, how's it going? We've got another cool horn to unbox today. So, this horn is actually not from the collector that I've been buying a bunch of stuff from. This is from somebody else. So, I'll go ahead and tell you it's not a Leslie. I know I unbox, seems like everything I unbox is a Leslie. So, this is a little something different. So, let's pop her open and see what we got. I'll go ahead and give you another hint too. It is not a Nathan air chime horn either. So, what could we have? Big old box. Gracious. All right. Good Lord, this is a big box. All right, we've got a pillow. I don't think I've ever had a pillow used for packing. That'll be a dog bed for my pups. All right, here's the first bell. So, looks like we've got them wrapped pretty good. All right, here's the first bell. Now, this bell is actually just a side horn, or that was included with this main horn that I bought. So this isn't really what we're going to be looking at. But anyway, this is a single chime Buell. So it's kind of in rough shape, and actually the whole side of this bell is blown out, so it's cracked. So not really usable, but I could use the parts in the power chamber. So we'll set that to the side. I don't know a whole lot about Buells, to be honest. I'm not real educated on them, so I don't know what size that is or anything. But that's that. So here is another one. And again, this is just kind of a side bell or horn that he threw in here, because he had. So just another Buell, really just for parts. This one will probably work and sound fine, but it is crinkled pretty good. So as these horns do, they're real thin, they're spun brass. I know you've seen that Buell B5 that I have. The bells on it are all spun brass, so they ding up and get damaged real easy. They sound great though, but they do get damaged pretty easy. So here is the first part to this horn, and the horn that I bought. Let's see what we got here. And this is a Buell that we're going to be looking at. You might already been able to tell. So, first bell to this Buell. This is chrome. This is a marine horn that we're going to be unboxing today. And I'll just go ahead and tell you what it is. It is a Buell quadruplex, so a 4-chime. This is, I believe, is their largest marine horn they offer. Now Buell did have a commercial part of their company that they did marine horns, and they did like larger ship type horns, but they don't produce those anymore. So this is the first bell to this horn. See what else we got. Here's the next bell. This is a shorter one, it looks like. There we go. Another Buell single chime bell. We'll have the manifold out here in just a minute. Looking forward to seeing what this sounds like. This is my B5 that y'all have seen, the 5-chime Buell. Now that is meant for trains. This should sound similar. You know, there's just 4 bells though, but that is a really, really good sounding horn. So I expect this to sound great too. And as you can see, spun brass. You can see where this chrome's wearing off right here. So we've got just, you know, the raw brass. So anyway, there's that one. And here is this one. Thought it would be pretty cool to have another Buell in the collection. I really do like how they sound. So here's the last bell, the last chime. Alrighty. And got another pillow. Where are we at? Let's find this. Manifold. Alright. Go ahead and get this box off the table. The old box. Alright, so here is the manifold, and by far the heaviest part of the horn. These manifolds are serious. They are solid material. So, this is the manifold for the horn. And they set like this on it. So you'll have, you know, 2 on the top, right there, and then the other 2 will be on the bottom. You can reverse these, I believe. Well, no, actually you can't reverse these. So they're all going to point forward. They've got this, the inlet right here is offset. It's not directly in the middle, so actually they do all need to mount straight in this direction. So yeah, so this is the front, and then of course you do have the port on the back, which looks to be, I guess, 3/8. They don't use a whole lot of air, but that's one thing that's cool about the Buell horns. But anyway, I'll get this put together and I'll be right back and we'll see what it looks like. All right, guys, so here it is. This is the Buell quadruplex, so our 4-chime Buell. Buell is not really known for train horns. They are known though for their like ambulance and fire truck horns. A lot of these, you'll find a lot of horns identical to the single, you know, like a single chime on like ambulance or fire truck. Some like small like commercial vehicles have them too. A lot of small like pleasure craft and like a cruiser, watercraft like that will have Buells. But the quadruplex is, like I said, I think their biggest horn they offer, marine horn they offer, and it really actually packs a pretty good punch. This thing is freaking loud. So anyway, y'all see it here pretty soon. I pulled this P3 out just so y'all can kind of see a size reference. I know a lot of y'all are probably familiar with a P3. So here's a P3, here's the Buell. You can kind of get a, you know, an idea of size. I'll flip it around and show you the back here. Like I said, you do have the port on the back, you know, so there's the Buell versus the P3. So you can kind of see size. I mean, the Buell is definitely bigger than the P3 just because it's 4 chimes and it's taller. And this is a low mount P3, but you know, they're comparable. This longest bell right here, the P3 looks to be almost the same length. The number one bell looks almost the same length as this bell. So anyway, just kind of a size reference. Well, I appreciate it, guys. I'm sure y'all see me again on another unbox video here pretty soon, and we'll see you on the next one.